风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey everyone, I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song by musician 邱淑蟬, where she sings the song Where I Belong, 手猜, and she captures the sounds of the wind, birds, and streams in Liu Gui, which is exactly where she's from, in Kaohsiung. Let's take a listen.
第二上市的 boy 有一点爱也比也安发安定下点好来个天山同爱个跳那么穷哈跳舞耶稣过耶稣第二上市的 boy自由自在奇妙孤寒人很易过有爱很易负一可能爱太也躺在爱高一很爱这种有梦爱归来莫讲，爱负唔到也给家。
你们现在在听的这首美妙的歌曲，就是邱淑蟬的作品。她是来自高雄6队的客家人，喜欢呢将日常生活琐碎的事情写到她的创作里。而这首歌曲《所在》手猜就是献给高雄的。借着音乐呢，他希望听众能够闻到田间的果香，望见夕阳下橘红色的天空。那无论是盛夏还是秋凉，都能感受到他对于这片土地的依恋。我们来继续收听。
爱上市的 boy 有一点爱也比也安发安定下
Taking you through the countryside of Kaohsiung, it's 邱淑蟬 with this song called Where I Belong, or 手猜. Hope you enjoyed it. My name is Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.